Ace, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Who's home? Oh gosh, who's here? Who's here? Are you sure it's that direction? Are you sure it's that direction, buddy? Are you sure it's that direction? Where's your sissy?
Oh, no, no, no. Right there. It's no fun if you get it. Go over there. Go
How are
over
you going to
there.
get it, Ace?
I don't see
Where is that? Make him go and get it. Oh, now he's going to get it.
And bring it.
Now he's not going to be wimpy. Where is it, buddy? Where is it? You got to get it.
You get it. You get it. You know it's there. You get it. You get it. Right there.
Where is it, buddy? Where is it?
You get it. What is it? You get it. I know it's there. Like, I know
Oh, you found it? See, she's going to make you work for it.
Now he's gonna make you work for it.
No, bring it to your sister.
He's making you work
Bring
for
it to your sister. He's not falling for it this time. Doesn't like that.
Oh my god. Ish. Ish. I'm coming alive.
Careful. What are you going to do, buddy? Good boy. You going to kiss her?
Your breath smells bad.
Now he's going to go for your hair.
No, he's not. Oh! He's boring. Should I be like
He's
Dad?
fast.
Should I be like Dad?
He's fast.
I got your hair. This is Dad. This is Dad.
Careful though, because he can't push Dad off, but he could probably push you off.
No, he can't.
Oh, are you mean? Watch your finger.
I'm not even touching it. He thinks I am, though.
Oh, now he likes that one.
Come here, Ace. Oh, come here. I don't want to touch that nasty slimy thing.
Try to do your side to side. See if he'll
trying,
go
but
for
he won't go for this.
Oh.
He wants that nasty one. Where's the ball? That one wins.
That one's on top of the fridge.
If this one loses, then there's something wrong with you.
Mm.
It's squeezed. I'm back.
What's she doing, Ace? You've got like 1 minute. Oh yeah, he's gonna go for it.
He's gotten.
Yeah, now he jumps higher too. So watch yourself.
Oh!
He could go right into the TV.